Hello, this is Ellie, and I am the creator of the Starlight Wisdom Oracle card deck. It is here. This is the first segment of many to a basic introduction of how to use these cards. These cards want to work with you, and to help you and to guide you, to help you connect with your soul and your heart in a much deeper and more profound level, something that you may have not experienced before, perhaps a level that will bring you more joy in your life. Maybe it will be more meaningful. It will give you added purpose. You might discover your life's purpose by using these cards. So this is gonna, like I said, this is gonna be one segment out of many. So it's going to be just a few minutes. This is a general introduction to kind of say, open up the deck. Now what do I do? So this is opening up the package, and on the back, so it's a bag, not in a box. I chose a bag to prevent extra paper, and the stiffness. I think life is a little more fluid, a little more dynamic. So having a box just kind of makes me think of something very rigid, which life is not, for sure. So I chose to use the bag, and it's got little sparkles in it. This card, the outside, this is the backs of the cards. And here, if you open up the package, here's the back of the card. And you will also receive a guidebook. So you have, I had my little hands. You have the guidebook, you have the cards. And inside the guidebook, it explains each of the cards. There are 1 to 2 pages of messages associated with each of the cards. And these are just a starting point, just something to kind of pique your curiosity, kind of get you interested, because it's all about you. So how you adapt to the cards, how you read between the messages, you might get your own messages. That's totally fine. And yes, there's going to be bloopers in these videos. So I think that's what life is. And life is not about being perfect. It's one of my lifetime challenges is to get over perfectionism. So I'm going to let the bloopers be bloopers. So go ahead and laugh. I laugh at myself all the time because you should see some of the things I do. But getting back to it, this is the guidebook, offering you suggestions, helping you tap into the knowledge, helping you to connect with your soul on a much deeper level, to offer you suggestions and messages about all of the cards. And in these cards, there's 56 total. This is the outside of the deck. This is a light activation mandala, and I do explain about it inside the guidebook. Don't remember what page, but you will find it. And so each one of the message of the cards, it starts with aligning with your divinity, and the last one is trust your inner knowing, and everything in between. Like I said, there's 56. So 56 opportunities, just a few for you to look at. 56 opportunities for you to tap into that knowledge. Working with this deck will help you enhance your intuition. It will help you expand your knowledge and to be able to maybe tap into your intuition, feel more in your gut feelings, kind of understanding the difference between thinking about something, which I call your monkey mind, your monkey brain in the guidebook, to actually being able to tune into your heart and soul, really what's inside your inner being, your inner core, your center point of light. So working with these cards it's a fun experience, I gotta tell you. As long as you are able to put aside your thinking brain, so just kind of stop thinking so much about what you need to do. It's kind of dedicating some time where you can actually focus on the deck. And all that is in another video. So this is just basically introduction. So you are opening up your package. I'm just summarizing. You're opening up your package, putting aside the cards in the back, and you will have a guidebook and 56 cards. So this is the end of this first segment. I want to thank you so very much for having this deck in your presence. If you're able to share it with somebody, that's all the better, because I know that people are understanding the new earth. And yes, I do talk about the new earth in the guidebook, and there's also a card for the new earth, which I will cover in another video. So this is the end of the first introduction video. So stay tuned for some more, and I'm going to be making them on a regular basis. So if you have any questions about the deck, anything you want me to answer specifically, or as my cousin used to say, pacifically, just go ahead and drop me a line. Information is on the screen for, well, the next screen will have my information. So until then, I will see you later. Have a good one. Keep smiling.